Nowadays, we actually all want to learn English, want to speak English, but we don't understand how to start. To think that thought remains close to the thought, English is no longer learned. If this is the case with you, then this video is for you. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Tusha Hassan, you are watching my YouTube channel. English is everyone's preferred language, right? It brings us different acquaintance among all. If you are a student, then you will have a different impression in the class. Everyone will know you, teachers will love you, make yourself feel special. And if you are an employee, then you will have a different priority in the field of work. And if you are a person of any other profession like manual labor, rickshaw puller, or any other profession, if you can speak English, then everyone look at you in surprise, and you will have a priority in any matter. No matter what profession you are, no degree is required to learn English because it's also a language like Bengali. Before internet facilities were not that much, people used to search dictionary to find the meaning of any words. So fear of English was much more among them. But now times have changed. We can easily reach a desired goal by using technology, right? So use this in a good way. Do you know what's the most important tools of learning English? It's listening. In the beginning, you just listen. Whether you understand or not, you just listen. I would say 1 month straight, you just listen. If you want to watch movies, then watch it without subtitle. It can be your favorite movies, dramas, talk show, news, motivational speech, anything you like. As you listen, you yourself notice at some point that you have developed a tendency to talk, and some word automatically come into your mouth. Then you start to observe it well. You start watching movies with subtitle. And what you have to do next, that road will be clear to you gradually. You know what? There's no substitute for listening in learning English. In the beginning, it doesn't matter whether you listen attentively or inattentively. You just listen. From listening to this, you will learn to understand and then to speak. Have you ever noticed? At the beginning of learning to speak, a child learns to understand by listening. What is being said, how to say, when to say, everything. A child doesn't learn to speak from birth. It's learn to understand by listening, and then he can speak. That will be the case with you. You also have to follow the same process. As the language is new to the child, is it to you, right? He listened intently so he could speak. You can also speak in English if you pay attention. So start learning now without wasting time. And remember, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and be sure to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Hopefully, see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.